A big plus on wheels, representing the finest in American automotive know-how, representing a plus opportunity for you in the Vega 2300. The Vega had to surpass all competition with excellent economy, performance, handling, durability, fresh, clean, enduring styling, roominess, and comfort. In its basic layout, the Vega is a conventionally arranged car. The engine is mounted in front, and the rear wheels drive the car. Extensive testing with all other possible layouts revealed that the conventional arrangement met the greatest number of needs. Most mechanical subsystems are similar to modern approaches used in other Chevrolet car lines. Components, however, are specific to Vega to achieve the goals of lightweight and small size. A fundamental part of the Vega concept is small size, but the car had to be designed to carry people in comfort and safety over the wide variety of driving conditions likely to be encountered in this country. A key design challenge was determining the basic vehicle dimensions: overall length, wheelbase, front and rear wheel tread, height, and front and rear overhang. The first consideration in design was how small, how compact should the Vega be. 4-passenger capacity was required for a family economy car, and this established part of the car's general size. In determining basic proportions, a very short wheelbase can be obtained by setting the occupants up comparatively straight, with the knees tucked toward the torso. This is the basic arrangement used on most small imports, but it makes the car higher and results in a higher center of gravity. In the other extreme, the torso can be more reclined. Then a larger wheelbase is necessary, but the car height is lower and the center of gravity can be lower. The Vega falls between the two extremes, with a wheelbase of 97 inches. With good interior room, the car is low, only 51.2 inches high. The low height, combined with the relatively long wheelbase and wide tread, 54.6 inches in front and 54.1 inches at the rear, help give the car a low center of gravity. These design elements give the Vega excellent down-the-road sense, superior handling, and excellent road feel for a car its size, regardless of road conditions or crosswinds. And the Vega's steering and suspension systems also contribute to these characteristics. Still another design factor is determining the front and rear overhang, which is governed by the amount of front crush space and the luggage capacity at the rear. For impact energy absorption and passenger protection, a minimum of 25 inches of crush distance is necessary at the front. This results in 31.5 inches of front overhang. 8.7 cubic feet of luggage capacity was established as a minimum and led to a rear overhang of 41.2 inches. The overall result is a car 169.7 inches long, the size preferred by the great majority of prospective small car buyers who were interviewed as part of the Vega development program. The 97-inch wheelbase is 14 inches less than Nova, and Vega's nearly 3 inches lower. Width dimensions are less too. Vega is a full 7 inches narrower. Compared to the VW 1500, Vega is 11 inches longer, with 2.5 inches of that being in the wheelbase. A major difference is in vehicle height, where Vega is almost 8 inches lower. The Vega tread is 3 inches wider in front and 1 inch wider at the rear wheels. Overall width is 4.4 inches greater than the VW. The Vega's lower height and wider tread give it greater stability. Interior roominess compared to the Volkswagen 1500 shows that in nearly all areas, Vega has more. Front and rear legroom are over 3 and 2 inches longer respectively. Width dimensions are also greater, up to 6.2 inches in front shoulder room, 2 inches in rear shoulder room, almost 3 inches in front hip room. While front headroom is 1 inch less, the rear is over 1 inch greater. While rear hip room is less, rear compartment room is 2.8 inches longer. A major technological advancement is found in the assembly methods for Vega's unitized body structure. 9 large body sections are put together with highly automated equipment. The automated construction reduces assembly costs and provides every-time fitting accuracy. It helps deliver a quality product at the lowest possible price. For greater structural strength, Vega has a double-panel steel roof. The one-piece inner panel eliminates the need for front and rear headers and side rails, thereby eliminating sharp protrusions above the passengers' heads. Holes in the inner panel are for acoustics. They're computer-placed for better sound insulation and a quieter ride. For greater repairability, the front fender and front header are bolted on. Hinges for the hood, deck lid, and doors are welded on with computer-controlled equipment for better, more consistent opening fits. Vega body shells are primed by an exclusive ELPO electric coating process to help eliminate rust and corrosion. It applies a smooth, even, and continuous prime coat to the entire body, even the hidden inner surfaces and corners. Subsequent stages of the painting process include baking, wet sanding, and a sealer coating, ending with a top coat of long-lasting, fade-resistant acrylic lacquer, which is oven-baked at 300 degrees. Vega also has flush and dry rocker panels to protect against corrosion. To provide greater side impact protection than competitive cars, the doors include a heavy corrugated steel side guard beam. Vega is subjected to the same side impact testing as the full-size Chevrolet. For a smoother, quieter ride, a new spray-on sound deadening process is used for the Vega coupe and camback wagon. The entire interior floor pan, from front cowl to rear compartment, is sprayed with a special mastic acoustical sound deadener to provide maximum noise-free driving comfort. This is also included for the sedan when the custom interior is ordered. The Vega Power Plant, a completely new, lightweight, 140 cubic inch 4-cylinder overhead camshaft aluminum alloy engine. The key to Vega's excellence is, in many ways, this engine. Advanced technology allowed Chevrolet to build this power plant, which combines large displacement and light weight, only 330 pounds completely dressed, to provide economy and performance without forfeiting handling. 2 major design features set the new engine apart immediately. 1, the valve train is a simplified overhead cam design. And 2, the cylinder block is a lightweight aluminum alloy precision die casting. Both are new and unique to American-built automobile engines and exclusive to Chevrolet. In this new overhead cam valve train design, the camshaft drives the valve mechanically from a position directly over the valve, in contrast to the usual rocker arm and side-mounted camshaft arrangement. Fewer parts and simpler mechanical components result in higher efficiency and greater product quality. And the open combustion chamber design results in more complete burning for reduced emissions. The overhead camshaft drive system is also unusual. An externally mounted fiberglass reinforced belt links the camshaft and crankshaft. Cogs in the inner surface drive the cam sprocket. V-grooves on the outer surface drive the water pump and fan. The water pump housing is adjustable to ensure correct belt tension. The fiberglass reinforced belt has proved to have excellent reliability and durability, better than the more conventional metal chain systems. A major advancement in automotive engine construction is the Vega's precision die-cast cylinder block of a new high silicone aluminum alloy. Cylinder bores are Siamesed for compactness and rigidity and are freestanding, with the water passage around the cylinder walls open at the upper deck. The high silicone aluminum alloy serves several important functions. It's a die-castable material that gives solid, thin wall parts without the porosity problems of previous aluminum castings. It allows the omission of steel or cast iron liners. The final bore is electrochemically etched, removing the aluminum and leaving a glass-hard surface of pure silicone particles for the pistons to ride upon, and at the same time, providing space for oil retention. This totally new concept for an engine block has been thoroughly tested, and its durability has proved excellent. Two different versions of the 140 CID engine are offered. The standard engine is rated at 90 gross horsepower and 136 pound-feet of torque at 2,400 RPM. It has an 8-to-1 compression ratio and a single-barrel carburetor. The optional engine is rated at 110 gross horsepower and 138 pound-feet of torque at 3,200 RPM. It has an 8-to-1 compression ratio and a 2-barrel carburetor and high-lift camshaft. Both engines have a 5-main-bearing crankshaft for greater durability and use leaded or unleaded regular fuel. 4 different transmissions are available. The standard transmission is a small 3-speed manual new to Chevrolet. Torque Drive with its single-shift, no-clutch pedal driving, the Power Glide 2-speed automatic, and a new lightweight 4-speed manual are available as options. Rear axle ratios are designed to deliver balanced economy and performance for each Vega power team and body style combination. With the standard engine and 3-speed manual transmission, all Vegas come equipped with a 2.53 rear axle. A 2.92 is available optionally. With either Torque Drive or Power Glide, the sedan comes equipped with the 2.53 rear axle, and the 2.92 is optional. All other Vegas, with either Torque Drive or Power Glide, come equipped with the 2.92, and the 2.53 is available optionally. When the standard engine is combined with the 4-speed manual transmission, for all Vegas, the 2.92 is standard and a 3.36 is available optionally. With the optional engine and 3-speed manual or torque drive, all Vegas come equipped with the 2.92 rear axle. With the optional engine and Power Glide or 4-speed manual transmission, all Vegas come equipped with the 3.36 rear axle. Numerous fuel economy runs were conducted throughout the country for comparison against competitive makes. The Vega sedan, with 90 horsepower engine, standard 3-speed manual transmission and 2.53-to-1 rear axle ratio, out-economized them all, including Volkswagen. On this 7,000-mile run, conducted in May from Detroit to the West Coast and back, the standard Vega sedan averaged 3.2 miles per gallon better than the VW, 2.5 better than the Maverick, and 5.4 better than the Toyota. It was a rugged test that included city driving, mountain driving, and driving long distances at high speeds. In performance tests with full acceleration from a standing start, Vega is well ahead in distance traveled in 10 seconds and stays there. On the road, Vega is out in front of Maverick by nearly 5 car lengths and over 5 ahead of Volkswagen. In the half-mile standing start time, Vega is 2.7 seconds better than Maverick and 5.5 seconds faster than VW. The Vega chassis. Mechanical design and placement of the chassis equipment give the Vega an excellent combination of agility, handling, and ride comfort superior to anything in its class. The suspension system features full coil springs at all wheels. Up front, the independent suspension is the full wishbone arm type, attached directly to the body structure. The rear suspension is a new, compact 4-link design with rubber bushings at all pivot points to reduce road noise and vibrations. Steering effort is low. It combines with a quick 22.5-to-1 overall steering ratio to give Vega excellent steering response and road feel. Relay linkage is front-mounted and uses a recirculating ball steering gear and 2-piece shaft. Vega has outstanding braking ability, which comes from a completely new design, combining solid rotor manual front discs with leading trailing shoe rear drum brakes. The combination gives true low-effort manual braking with excellent straight-ahead response and superior fade resistance. Brakes are the self-adjusting type. 13 by 5-inch wheels and 6 by 13-inch tires are standard for all models. Available optionally are A78 bias-belted ply tires. These tires give better traction and longer life, making them a wise investment for economy-conscious buyers. Vega's driveline features a tubular propeller shaft and lubed-for-life U-joint connections. The rear axle is the familiar Salisbury type. On all models, muffler and tailpipe are fully aluminized for long life. Another feature of the Vega is this new electric fuel pump, which is tank-mounted and combined with the fuel-sending unit. The ignition switch and oil pressure control the system. It's a fail-safe arrangement. If the oil pressure drops below 2 pounds per square inch, the fuel pump is automatically shut off. The engine stops before serious damage can occur. During starting, the engine oil pressure switch is bypassed to allow normal fuel delivery. On all models, the 11-gallon fuel tank is mounted beneath the trunk or cargo floor, completely separated from the interior. Front bucket seats with full foam construction are standard on all models. The head restraint is an integral part of the seat back. The seat belt and shoulder harness system is a new, simplified, 3-point design. All models have floor shifts for all transmissions. The ignition switch is column mounted and includes an anti-theft ignition key warning buzzer and steering column lock. Full vinyl interiors are standard on all models. The handbrake is mounted on the transmission tunnel. The door trim panels are injection molded with an integral armrest pad. A map pocket is included in the left-hand door panel. Vega's instrument panel and cluster design are simple and functional. Control knobs have international-style function symbols. The windshield washer and wiper is a 2-speed unit. The heater, designed specifically for the Vega, is the blended air type with a 3-speed blower. This is the Vega sedan. Styling is clean and well proportioned. The wide expanse of glass gives passengers the feeling of being in a much larger car. In the standard version, the side is plain. Body side and window moldings and wheel rims shown here are exterior trim options. The sedan trunk has 8.7 cubic feet of usable luggage space. Here is the sporty version, the Vega Coupe or hatchback. Bright metal upper trim is standard, while the lower side moldings shown here are optional. The Coupe's hatchback is a particularly attractive feature since the entire rear area is accessible from the rear seat. This fold-down rear seat is standard for the Coupe and CAMSHAFT wagon. With the rear seat folded, the Vega Coupe has 18.9 cubic feet of usable luggage space, plus concealed storage space under the load floor. This is the Vega CAMSHAFT wagon. The tailgate is roof-hinged and opens fully from the floor. The bright ring-style wheel trim is optional for all models. No full disc is used. With the rear seat folded down, the CAMSHAFT wagon has 50.2 cubic feet of carrying space. The spare tire and gas tank are located under the load floor on the Vega Coupe, CAMSHAFT wagon, and Panel Express. This is the single-seat Vega Panel Express. It has 68.7 cubic feet of cargo space, 50.2 cubic feet of cargo space with the optional passenger seat, plus concealed stowage areas behind the seat and at the rear of the load floor. 10 exterior colors and 5 interior colors are available. On all models, the grille and valence panel are made of molded ABS plastic. The front bumper is a one-piece wraparound unit. The Vega has large single-unit power beam headlamps. Combination parking and directional signal lights with amber lenses are mounted in the valence panel. Front side marker lamps flash with the directional signals. The hood is front hinged and the release is located inside the passenger compartment. For easy access to the rear, doors are a full 52 inches long. Door handles are flush mounted. Fixed rear quarter glass is standard on the sedan, coupe, and camback wagon. Powered ventilation is standard on all models. Even when the windows are closed, the blower fan forces a gentle flow of outside air through the car whenever the ignition is on. Louvered exhaust outlets are located on the deck lid of the sedan and coupe and on the rear quarter panels of the camback wagon and Panel Express. The coupe and sedan have separate rectangular tail and backup lamps. The camback wagon and Panel Express use vertical single-unit combination tail and backup lamps. All models have a wraparound one-piece rear bumper. The Vega 2300 by Chevrolet. 4 different models, each combining economy and performance, handling and durability, roominess, comfort, and fresh, clean, enduring styling. This is basically the same styling you'll be selling through 1975. And Vega offers a wide range of options to satisfy the tastes and needs of every buyer. RPO powertrain options include a 110 horsepower engine, torque drive, power glide, and a new 4-speed manual transmission. Positraction is also available for each of the 3 rear axle ratios. Chassis options include a special ride and handling package with front and rear stabilizer bars, heavy-duty shock absorbers, A70 by 13-inch bias belted ply white lettered tires, and special 13 by 6-inch wheels. Power steering is a regular production option and cannot be dealer installed. And bias belted ply A78 by 13-inch tires are available. Additional regular production options include swing-out rear quarter windows for the coupe and sedan, AM and AM/FM push-button radios with windshield-concealed antenna, a rear seat speaker, 4-season air conditioning, a heavy-duty radiator, soft ray tinted glass, and electric clock. Other RPOs are electro-clear rear window defroster, door edge guards, wheel trim rings, body side molding, an adjustable driver's seat back, rear seat shoulder harnesses, and an auxiliary passenger's seat for the Panel Express. The custom exterior option, RPO ZJ2 for the sedan, coupe, and camback wagon includes bright wheel opening moldings, roof drip moldings, black accented lower body side moldings, a black finished body sill, body colored door handle accents. The coupe model also includes a belt molding. The sedan model includes side window moldings. The custom interior option, RPO ZJ1 for the sedan, coupe, and camback wagon includes luxury seat and sidewall trim with wood-grained accents, lower instrument panel pad and passenger's assist handle, day-night rear view mirror, a right-hand door map pocket, and extra soundproofing. For the coupe and the camback wagon models, it also includes a carpeted luggage area or load floor. For the sedan model, it includes carpeted passenger compartment floor, a fore and aft adjustable passenger's front bucket seat, and cigarette lighter. A special decor group option, RPO YE4, is available for the sedan only. It includes bright side window moldings, a fully carpeted passenger compartment floor, cigarette lighter, and an adjustable passenger's front bucket seat. For the Panel Express, an appearance guard group, ZP5, is available. It includes door edge guards and front and rear bumper guards. The operating convenience group, ZQ2, includes an electric clock, electro-clear rear window defroster, and day-night rear view mirror. Dealer-installed accessories include door edge guards, front and rear bumper guards, an electric clock, an exterior-mounted right-hand rear view mirror, a right-hand sunshade vanity mirror, front and rear rubber contour mats, a portable spotlight, AM and AM/FM radios with mass-type antenna, an AM tape radio combination, a rear speaker plus, an infant safety carrier, child safety seat, litter container, tissue dispenser, a vanity mirror, fire extinguisher, highway emergency kit, compass, rooftop luggage carrier, and a chrome-plated locking gas cap. A special GT model option, Z29, will be available for the Vega Coupe and Camback wagon. GT performance and exterior equipment include the 110 horsepower engine, the special ride and handling package, which includes front and rear stabilizer bars, heavy-duty shock absorbers, 13 by 6-inch wheels, and bias-belted wide oval tires with raised white lettering. GT exterior trim includes a black finished grille, bright grille outline and belt moldings, bright lower body moldings with black accented rocker panels, body-colored door handle accent, wheel trim rings, GT nameplate on the front fender, and clear parking lamp lenses with amber bulbs. Rally striping is available with GT equipment as a separate option. GT model option interior equipment includes a special instrument cluster with tachometer, clock, ammeter and temperature gauge, lower instrument panel pad and assist handle, 4-spoke sport steering wheel, adjustable driver's seat, wood grain accents on instrument cluster and sidewalls. The Vega 2300 by Chevrolet. 4 different body styles and a GT model option. Not just as good as the competition, but better in every way. The Vega 2300 is a plus car in a market where you've had no entry before. Treat it right, and it will add another month of sales to your total each year. A true plus car.